Namaste and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. Today, I am standing before you to deliver a speech on health and hygiene. Why is it important in our liver? Because it helps to live our lives and it is important to the human body. Personal and social hygiene to protect our bodies from illnesses. Boiling water, washing fruits and cooking vegetables before eating is essential for our